Hi guys, now this is another video request. Some of you asked me, Daniel, what are the correct ways to roll up my sleeves? And when should I do it? What kind of situations? So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you the wrong and the right ways to roll up your sleeves. Let's get to it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and believe.
All right guys, now let's get right into this. Never roll up your sleeves like this or this. It looks terrible and sloppy. I just quickly had to get that out of the way. Now that that is out of the way, the wrong ways of rolling up your sleeves, let's move on. You can roll up your sleeves at any time when you feel too hot, or when you eat messy food, or any other situation that requires you to do so. Now, rolling up your sleeves sends a very strong message saying, I'm ready to work and I'm a go-getter. And it can also transform your look from formal to more casual. Now, of course, there are times when it's better not to roll up your sleeves, like at a super formal event, or an important lunch with your boss, or a black tie event. You get the picture, right? Now let's look at 3 stylish ways that you can roll up your sleeves. Some people make this too complicated, and it's not. It's just you rolling up your sleeves. And the easiest and fastest way that you can do it is the forearm roll. And some guys call it the IFA roll, but let's keep it simple. The forearm roll. You just roll it up twice, about the width of the cuff, and that's it. Casual and simple, showing your forearm. Next up, the basic roll. It's pretty much the same as the forearm roll, except you roll it up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, as many times as it requires to go above your elbow. And lastly, and my favorite, most stylish way to roll up my sleeves, the J crew roll. First, roll up about 2 widths of the cuff. Second, roll again to the bottom of the cuff. And lastly, roll it a last time, leaving the top of the cuff exposed. It looks stylish and it won't easily get undone. Now, if you want more style tips or anything else on fitness, grooming, or life itself, then check out one of these videos here and I'll see you there. Cheers, guys.